Exfoliation is a critical step for revealing brighter, more radiant skin. The Prox by Olay Microdermabrasion Plus Advanced Facial Cleansing Brush System delivers proven results by helping exfoliate for visibly improved texture after 2 uses. Use the microdermabrasion setting up to twice a week with the Microdermabrasion Foam Head and self-warming thermal crystal polisher that exfoliates 700% better than our scrub alone for visibly brighter, more even skin tone. The system offers so much more than microdermabrasion. It can also be used for daily cleansing with the Exfoliating Renewal Cleanser and Soft Bristle Head. Each rotation provides gentle exfoliation with cleansing that's better than basic cleansing on hard-to-remove makeup. The facial cleansing brush deeply cleans and helps maximize the immediate hydrating effectiveness of your anti-aging moisturizer. With 3 speeds, you can control how the cleansing brush treats your skin for a customized facial care routine. Plus, it's water resistant, making it perfect for use in the shower. Your skin will feel silkier and smoother after 5 days of system use. You will receive 3-speed facial cleansing brush, battery-powered, replaceable brush head, microdermabrasion foam head, thermal crystal polisher, 0.68 fluid ounce, exfoliating renewal cleanser, 0.68 fluid ounce, and 2AA Duracell batteries. Dermatologist-designed microdermabrasion and cleansing system delivers proven results at home. Exfoliates 700% better than our scrub alone for visibly brighter, more even skin tone. Thermal crystal polisher helps gently polish away dull patches for smoother, more radiant skin. Exfoliating renewal cleanser provides gentle exfoliation while cleansing brush is water resistant for use in the shower. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.